Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and insights on the best products available. Today, we're talking about the original humidifier drops by Dry Element. If you're on the lookout for the best diffuser cleaner to keep your humidifier in top shape, this product is exactly what you need. This premium food-grade concentrate is engineered to extend the life of your humidifier and make it run more efficiently. One of the standout features is its ability to slow down residue accumulation, meaning less cleaning and a healthier humidifier overall. No one likes seeing white dust or mineral buildup around their humidifier, and this solution tackles that issue head-on. Whether you're using an ultrasonic or an impeller humidifier, these drops work across all models, ensuring a cleaner, fresher atmosphere in any room. Dry Element's treatment drops help in reducing scaling in mineral deposits, which can often damage your device or cause unpleasant odors. By using this product regularly, you can avoid rust stains and calcium buildups that are common in humidifiers. A few drops go a long way, making this 1-ounce bottle last for over 100 days, which makes it not only effective but economical too. Plus, it's made right here in the USA, with rigorous testing to ensure the highest standards of quality. What sets this product apart from the competition is its ability to maintain cleaner water in your humidifier tank, making it an excellent deodorizer as well. It's an easy-to-use solution that can help keep your air fresh and your humidifier running smoothly with minimal maintenance. Whether you have a cool mist or a warm mist humidifier, this cleaner is the perfect companion to ensure a longer-lasting, more efficient device. So, if you're tired of cleaning your humidifier constantly or dealing with funky smells, the original humidifier drops are your solution. It's simple, effective, and provides long-term value. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product recommendations.